Boom. Another one. Oh, nice big mouth. Nice one. Nice. Hey guys, it's Jose Gomez from the All Water Fishing Club. I'm out here fishing again right next to the tunnel now. I've come in here for 3 days straight and I still haven't caught nothing. No, nothing. The fourth day that I came, it was beautiful. I caught a ray, caught 8 bass, and it was just off the hook. But I guess now since the water been getting kind of flooded, there's no rays or no bass been coming out. So I'm out here again trying. So I hope y'all stay tuned and I hope I catch some fish today. Well guys, I got bad news. I was fishing out here and I caught a bass, but literally the camera stopped rolling whenever I caught him, so that sucks. But I caught a bass. Check it out, y'all. Let me get him out of here. Hold on. Check out this nice little bass. Yeah, nice fatty. I know what we do. We catch and release. Keep it going. Boom. Another one. Oh, nice big mouth. Nice one. Nice big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one right there, boys. That's a big one right there. That's a big one. That's a big one right there. Check him out. Yeah. Check that out right there. It's a big one. Bass! No! Look at that big one. That's a... Alright guys, check out this fat one. It's like about, what, 2 pounds? 2 pounds? It's pretty heavy. I don't know what we do with this big bass. We catch and release. Oh, that was a bad hit. Sorry buddy. Buddy's off. Let's keep it going. Keep it going, y'all. We're getting big ones. Catching big ones. Boom. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Another bass. Another bass. Got away with the good bite. Boom! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys! Ah! Last shot for him to go back. Well, I think I broke that bait. It's out there, check it out. Fish on, guys. Big bass. Big bass. Big bass on the line. Big bass on the line. Big bass on the line. Big bass, big bass. Ooh, it's one hook on. Just with one hook on. One hook on. Boom! Nice big bass. Biggin. Look at that biggin. Look at that biggin. Look at that biggin, guys. Another big one, another crank, full water. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that big one. Yeah, look at that big one, man. It's bigger than my elbow. My elbow's 16. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Third big bass. Let's give it a kiss. Let's throw it back for good luck. Come on. Let's get some more. Right when I was recording, my camera came off, and guess what I caught? I caught me a nice catfish. Check it out. Woohoo! Let's get it, man. Once again, guys, out here fishing in a salt freshwater river, and I caught me this nice channel cat. Check it out. Woo! I don't know if I like catfish. I kind of don't like them, but here it goes, man. Let's keep it going. Another bass, guys. Another bass. Check it out. Boom. Woohoo! What is that? Fourth bass? Bit of me today. Yeah, it's a little smaller, but It works. Take it easy. There's a train over my head while I'm out here fishing. Funny. Well, alright guys. So far today, it was a good day. Let's see, I caught 2-3 big ones, I think, and then 2 small bass, and I caught catfish. Hope you liked the video. Y'all stay tuned for some more live action. Soon I think I'll be coming in a kayak next time and try to catch some reds and some bass at the same time. So yeah, alright y'all. Appreciate it. Y'all give it a like or a comment if y'all want. If you want to see more videos, y'all want to see me doing new things or whatever y'all want, give it a comment and a like. Alright guys, thank you so much. All Water Fishing Club. Subscribe. We just won, guys. The Astros won. Woo! I was all excited. We took it home.
Well-run organization gets to celebrate.
Wow.
Here at Dodger Stadium.
That's awesome.
Another drought ends. 2 great
The Astros take us home.
Game 7, and the Astros been through so much. Did not have the success the Dodgers have had as far as winning leading into this.